Thank you for watching another episode of Stallones Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We are trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of October. Only 21 more to go. Today, we are reviewing the Mecha Shark by Uncle Brick. On the Stallones Review rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 4.5 for the brickwork. For the fiber optic installation, it's closer to an 8. The instructions were fairly easy to understand and follow, except for a few times where it was harder to tell where things went. But other than that, they were really easy to use. From what I could tell, there were no missing pieces. The pieces went together fairly easy, except for a few ones that were harder to snap together. You might have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name Lego kits, because, to us, that would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course, it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you, is this brick kit a Lego quality, or is it the cheap experience? I would say it is definitely Lego quality, except for the few parts that were harder to snap together and the fiber optic cable. I thought it was really cool that it came with this accessory that was a green light-up brick that shines through the fiber optic cable to light up its sort of rib cage. I also liked the fact that the movement looks like the shark swims very realistically. We also like the split in half look where one side is a regular shark and the other side is the mechanical innards. I didn't really like putting in the light up tube as it was very challenging. The tube was stiff and hard to manipulate. My dad tried heating it up to soften it and it was a total disaster. He had to buy a replacement tubing on Amazon. He also had to tape it to make it stay in place. He also broke it the first time, so that was fun. I would say this is definitely not a good first time building experience for like new builders, as again the tubing was really hard to put together and the instructions were confusing in some parts, as well as the pieces snapping in wrong and all. It also fell apart in some places. I'm not even sure if I put it back together right. With my new experience and what I have learned from this build, I would definitely do it again, as it was a fun build. Did you build a Mecha Shark? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make a Mecha Shark of your own. If you're in the position to support us on Patreon, please click our link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.